What is up, everyone? Today we're going to be showing you how to make baked chocolate donuts.
Let's get started.
So in a bowl, we're going to add a half cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, a 1/4 cup of sugar, a half teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. And then we're going to mix this up.
In a bowl, we're going to crack 1 egg, a half cup of whole milk, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and mix. Alright, let's put the wet mixture into the dry, and let's mix.
So let's spray our donut pan and scoop our batter. Alright, we're going to pop this in the oven at 350 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes.
Alright, in a small bowl, we're going to sift a half cup of powdered sugar, a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Now we're going to add a 1/4 cup of whole milk and mix.
Okay, so we let our donuts cool for 10 minutes and now we're going to dip it into our icing. Alright everybody, we hope you enjoyed this video.
There are some videos on the side in case you want to check those out.
And the subscribe button's right here.
We'll see you in our next video.
Have a great day.
Bye.